Welcome to day 4 of my project advent calendar. Today's project is my old MIDI controller as a DJ controller kind of. This project features just a couple of analog inputs like these sliders or the knobs to control a DJ mixing software such as Mix. It is also powered through USB and gets all the commands through USB. Again, the implementation is done in the USB. After unscrewing the bottom of the device, it can just be folded open and then you can take a look at the messy insides. On the main board you can see two 80 mega controllers, an 80 mega 32 and an 80 mega 38. The 80 mega 8 just does the additional analog channels, whereas the 80 mega 32 does all the USB and the other channels. You will be able to see a lot of caps and those things in there. Those are just there because I had a lot of noise problems with these potentiometers, which are just a cheap packet of random potentiometers, and those are I think 100K, which make it really hard to work with. However, there's a problem. As you can see, the device is properly detected by Linux. The DMASCs show the device, manufacturer see classic videos, product MIDI controller, everything seems alright. Then if we type ls-usb, it's also listed properly. The top entry is the one for this device. Also, if we go over to Mix and open the preferences for the MIDI controllers, we can see it's being listed here. We can select it and we can start the learning wizard to configure the controls. So let's, for example, choose the crossfader here. And then we hit learn. And now I'm going to go ahead and move the crossfader on the hardware. But as you can see, nothing happens and eventually it times out. And I can't configure it at all. And that's the problem I'm currently facing. The last time I dug this project out of its box, everything worked fine, so I'm not sure what happened. Sadly, I don't have the time right now to fix it. Maybe that's for a future video. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this somewhat old project of mine, and see you tomorrow.